start the graduation ceremony? Everyone okay? Everyone excited? Everyone excited?
Very.
Hey, can you guess me? Can you guess what's the name? Okay, I'll tell something and you have to guess the name. Right? This person has got so much of experience,
Sachin.
but very modest, very modest.
Sachin.
Right? And she, by the way,
Amy.
he is a true example for all of us in terms of how to conduct yourself, how to stay grounded, right? She's got so much of international experience, but she's still learning. She's still learning. So much of respect for fellow trainers.
Amy or Sam? Amy?
Amy.
That's Sammy.
Amy, Rina.
Amy.
Wow.
Wow, the certificate looked so nice.
Wonderful.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Wonderful. By the way, Coach Amy, you get all, I'm just flashing one certificate, but you guys are getting 5 certificates. People have done the 6-weekend program, are getting 4 certificates like this, coach, certified international trainer and a coach, life executive coach, corporate trainer and coach, certified behavioral skills trainer, and
Wow.
called as coach the coach, coach the coach. So you're getting all this, my dear friends.
Wow.
You're all getting all this. By the way, if you have any spelling mistakes or anything, don't worry. The team is going to change it, correct it. I'm sure 99% there will be no. But if there's anything, don't worry, guys. We'll take care of it.
Coach Kaushik, what were the other certificates? What were the other certificates? Can you show?
Can I see mine, Coach Kaushik?
Not all the 5 certificates. But I'm just telling you, this is sample certificate, guys.
Yeah, these samples.
Here are the 5 certificates which you are getting. These are the 4. And this one is the ICF one, the 5th one. This is ICF CC, right?
Thank you, Coach.
Got it, guys? Got it? Coach Amy wanted to
Can
see.
I see mine once?
Yes. And you will get, of
Thank
course,
you so much.
I flashed 1, but you will get another 4, which I don't have in the slide deck. Perfect, guys. Perfect. But I showed you the sample already. Okay, cool.
I just
Next
have
one.
something to say. Can I say something?
Yes, Coach.
I started training from the year 2005. Okay. All my training has only been with experience. This is the first time I have done some kind of a trainer, and I feel really good. I'm proud to be a part of ILA. Thank you. Thank you for everything.
And you all clap for her, and really wish you all the best, Coach Amy. Keep smiling like this. Keep inspiring more and more people. Good. The second one, this person somehow, because of his office work, is not here, but he's very kind, human, right? So good when it's about talking to each other. He really takes care of each other. A lot of empathy. And I know he's not here, but any guesses?
Faisal, Coach Faisal.
That's
Coach Faisal, yes, dynamic Coach Faisal, wherever you are, a big thank you for being part of this. I know you might have missed few topics, but you can always repeat it next batch. But this one is for you. This one is for you. Typically, you know, guys, if you have missed some classes, though we give the certificates, but we encourage you to please join the remaining classes next batch. And the classes which you missed, right? Ideally, we should not have given a certificate if you miss a lot of classes. But I request you at least take the certificates, but be part of the next batch. Somehow take out some time and do it. Okay, so that's it.
Coach Kaushik, who do we have to contact to, you know, get into the classes that I've missed?
No problem. You know, you can just have a word with Riti.
Okay.
Just Just send a note saying, hey, this is what it is, right? And you will be able to do it, right? Okay. So the next one, any guesses? Again, this person is also not there, but she speaks really well. And yes, she's very good when it comes to both English and Hindi. She's already influencing a lot of people. And
Coach Neeraj.
I don't think she's here. Coach Neeraj, can you all clap for her? Can you all clap for her? All right, I know people have become very busy, but don't worry. Don't worry. It's for her. It's for her, right? So with that, the next one goes to someone who is very, very curious. The amount of curiosity she has is humongous to me. And I feel people who are curious can be great coaches. People who are curious can be great coaches. When she talks, right, every word is so powerful. Yes, she keeps going on and off in the video mode, but whenever she comes in, she leaves some kind of mark in a great way,
Mr.
And she's very knowledgeable. She can really take care of everything when it comes to training, coaching, sales, mostly marketing. She is an all-rounder according to me, right? And to me,
Coach Nita.
she is now here waiting for her certificate. Any guesses? What's the name? Any guesses? Any
I'm
guesses?
not talking.
Any guesses? She also missed few classes.
Sorry.
She also missed few classes. Any guesses?
Priyanka.
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 Can we all clap for Coach Priyanka? This one is for you.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Can we clap for Coach Priyanka? Can we clap for Coach Priyanka? Priyanka wants to say something, looks like.
Yes, I do want to say something. I didn't miss any class. It's just that I want to go through coaching again because in the very beginning I could not relate to it much, but then I found so much interest into it. So I want to do it all over again. And yes, I had some network issues, so I couldn't be present. So many questions I had to ask. I don't know what network issues or whatever it was. So that was my loss, that I could not communicate a lot. I was doing well in the training week. When the coaching week started, it went all haywire. But yes, I enjoyed the whole session a lot. Thank you. Such great words. Oh my God.
Good.
Thank you.
The smiling Priyanka. Can we all clap for her? Okay. Now, this is not surprise. Who is this person? Any idea? Who is this person? Any idea? Who is this person? Any idea?
Sachin.
Coach Sachin. I'm going alphabetically.
No, this is not Sachin. This is Sachin, by the way, right?
Yeah, there you go.
So, this person, you know already, has got so much of experience, mostly into executive coaching and business coaching. He has already seen a lot of trainers and coaches already. And he can quickly turn around things, and he's already set with a company, and I really wish him all the best. And if we can get a chance to work with him, we'll be the most blessed, right? With so much of experience, always being grounded, always trying to help people, always trying to help the peer. Great trait which you can see in coaches, and Coach Sachin, you are a true example of it. A true example.
Thank you.
Can we all
Thank
clap
you for
for
that.
Coach Sachin? Can we all clap for Coach Sachin because he had a lot of flavor? Can you do this to Coach Sachin? Tofa kubul karo. Tofa kubul karo. Tofa kubul karo. Very good.
Thank you for your kind words.
Very nice. Very nice. Wonderful. I know Coach Sachin is a little emotional also. So before he cries, talk about the next person. Any guesses? Who's the next person? Any guesses? Any guesses?
Coach Sheena?
Oh, no.
Faisal.
Alphabetically, Sam, and it's you first.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe.
I was doing the same calculation.
The next one is for Saurav.
Oh,
Is Saurav in?
No, isn't there?
Is not in. Yes, is not in. And of course, the next one is for somebody who has entertained us a lot. Somebody who is so active. Somebody who is also has a lot of
Shan. Sam.
Sam.
somebody who's ready, somebody who's smiling always, somebody who takes a lot of interest, and somebody who summarizes for us always.
yeah.
That's so true. So nice choice of words. The summarizer. She always concludes.
Very good. Can we all clap for her? Can we all clap for her?
Thank you.
Oh, this one is for you, Sarmishta. This one is for you.
Thank you so much. I want to also say something. Past 1 month was so much of learning which has happened, and I thoroughly, I think I've never enjoyed learning to this extent. I will always used to look forward for the weekends. People go for like weekends for, like weekend fun or something like that. For me, I was looking forward for weekends so that I can get into, learn more. So fantastic. Thank you so much, Kaushik, Coach Kaushik, Coach Rithi. It's been great. And there will be so many, first time I'll be doing, like, first time I wrote a blog. First time I made my own pichacha. First time I wrote quotes, So there are so many. And now you have given me the opportunity to write a book, co-author a book. It's like amazing. There's so many firsts I've done over here in just past 1 month. It's completely a game changer.
Wow. Can you all clap for her? Can you all clap for her? Can we all clap?
Nice choice of words.
Thank you.
So lovely. So lovely.
They summarizes well.
Very good.
So lovely. Very happy for you. So, with that, we have the last person of the day. This person.
The girl always asking, can I ask a question?
Sheena.
With a very sweet voice. Very sweet voice.
And जोर का झटका धीरे से लगे.
Partner.
For the mentors. And questions are also very powerful, by the way, right? Well thought through. And Sheena and Priyanka are the two people. Mentors were also saying, "Kab puchenge ye log question?" And to be ready or not, right?
Yeah.
But very good, guys. Very good. This person has done so much already in terms of learning and development. Has seen so much already, right? But the kind of enthusiasm in terms of learning, having a small kid, running around, I've never seen her missing any class. Can you believe it? She's the one who is the most punctual in this class. For her punctuality, for her love for learning, for uniqueness when it comes to finding out something new, for her quest to keep growing every day. Right? If I have to see somebody who will take learning and coaching to the next level, she can be an example.
My God, that's too much to vouch on, Coach Kaushik.
I'm not even told the name.
No, it's true.
I think I'm only left. I am joking.
Totally support that.
Okay, I take a back seat. Somebody else.
Ladies and gentlemen, she just did it.
She did it.
So, This one goes for Coach Sheena. This one goes for Coach Sheena. Thank you for being there for all of us. Thank you for being there and creating that environment where we were so friendly. And Coach Sam, Coach Sheena, some of you have made this environment so friendly. I mean, after 6 weekends, I don't know, we look forward to meeting each other. And in some batches, we feel that as trainers also. Some batches we don't feel, some batches we feel. And it will not be truthful to say every batch we are feeling it. No. But you guys made it. You guys made the difference.
Which
The
question?
words-
Can I see once my certificate?
You want to see your certificate? Yeah.
Spelling check. Spelling
Yeah,
check.
Don't worry, guys.
I've taken all the screenshots and I'll share it on the group.
You have, right? I've also taken everyone's except mine.
Uh-oh.
So you have mine, right?
Such
Yeah.
a button
Yeah, okay,
exists
great.
on the laptop.
And don't worry, the certificates will be your way by Tuesday, end of the day, right? By Tuesday, end of the day, just that one day people take to record everything in terms of certification number and stuff like that. And ICF we also have to update, right? So that's what it is. Make sense, guys? So with that, I have a wonderful message from the team ILA, and I would like to read it for you.
I wanted to say something.
Yes.
After the message, I would love to say.
Okay, guys, definitely. The message is very clear, guys. They say, few days back, a new journey began in no time. We have reached a milestone. Kudos to your commitment, passion, and active participation. All the very best. We wish you all the success and happiness from this point on.
Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, guys, for being there, for supporting us. Will also encourage a lot, right? We are also in the learning game. We are also learning, and whatever best we could do, we did it. So with that, round of applause for all of you lovely participants. Right? Did I miss any certificate, by the way? Did I miss any certificate? Okay, looks like no. Looks like no. All of a sudden I was just scratching my head. Sonia's certificate should have been there. And then I realized, no, Sonia is for the whole training and coaching program. So I got saved, And what I did is, in the meantime, I just unshared while Sheena was doing, and I just did a quick check just to ensure. See? Okay. Coach
Can
Deepak?
I say something, Coach?
Yes, Coach Sheena.
Rather than saying, can I ask a question, I would like to say, can I say something?
In your style, please. In your style.
So I really want to thank from the bottom of my heart, Coach Kaushik and Riti and all the trainers that we have met here. You guys have shared your knowledge in a way, everyone shares the knowledge, but you have shared the knowledge in a way which is, well rooted in us now. And it can never, go out from us. And I am so glad that I chose ILA. I had some apprehensions initially, but I'm happy to be, here, and I'm happy to have all those certifications. And just I wish each one of you here, great career in whatever field, whichever, kind of coach you want to be. So I just wish everyone good luck out here from my end. And I'll keep praying for all of you. I'll keep praying for ILA, especially for giving me this start after my sabbatical. So that's something that's very important for me. And I've put it in my pachacha as well, that I got my start from ILA. So I'm glad and I'm thankful to each one of you for making this journey beautiful.
Wonderful, Coach Sheena. Wonderful.
Thank you. You are really, we learned a lot from you. You were very helpful. Your questions made a lot of difference to us.
Very, she speaks in a very, calm way and very peacefully,
Yeah.
in a sweet voice. Really, we should learn that also.
Thank you
Great.
so
Yeah, I
much.
really wanted to say that, Coach Sheena, your voice is so smooth and so mesmerizing. Really, that was the first thing I noticed on the first day. And I wanted to personally message you. I'm in love with your voice.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. That's an encouragement for me. Thank you so much.
Nina, very good. Yeah. Lucky are the coaches now, right? They'll find something, right? So soothing, right? Voice is the most important thing, guys. Yes. So it's it's a God's gift, Coach Nina. कुछ संजीव ने खाना खाया, कुछ खाया, चाय पी रहे हैं, कुछ अभी सोच रहे हैं क्या करें, कुछ सोच नहीं पा रहे हैं, and कुछ
One line for them. Just one line for them.
हाँ हो जाए सर.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Wow, Coach Sanjeev, you sing so well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Coach Sanjeev.
With
I
your
tried
love.
making a video. Last time I did all of this, somebody sang the songs. I was just started in between. I missed it.
Prashant also sings. No? Somebody else also sings in the group. Last time, somebody else also sings.
Yeah.
Who?
Prashant.
Wow, Prashant sings. So Prashant, you can sing and I can record.
Yes, definitely.
And Coach Sanjeev can join in.
Yeah,
Sure, sure.
we can sing same song.
We can sing the same.
Thanks.
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. रोते हंसते बस तुम यूं ही मुस्कुराते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Woo! Very good, very good, very good.
Very good, Sanjeev.
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Coach
Thank you.
Sanjeev. Very good voice.
And the next line goes like this. बीच राह में दिल पर
अरे वाह.
बिछड़ जाए
जाए कभी हम अगर,
और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर.
Wow.
राह में दिल पर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम अगर, और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर, हम लौट आएंगे तुम यूं ही बुलाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
I remember my college graduation day actually. That's why I sang this.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very good.
Coach Kaushik, can
Love your
we
voice,
have
guys.
the recording of the graduation part? Can we have this recording with us as a gift?
Yes, Coach Sheena, you are recording, by the way.
She knows the right gifts to ask.
Yeah, really.
You can't deny.
Thank you, Sheena.
He's
So
asking
that does not
bonus.
include coaching part.
You are getting recorded. You are only recording it.
Acha.
Perfect. guys. Perfect. Coach Sanu, speech from Coach Sanu before we leave. Few words of wisdom.
Well, what can I say? It has just been 3 weekends, and it gives me a feeling that I know everybody for quite some long time now. Nobody is a stranger. It feels like बहुत पहले से जानते हैं. So that is the best part. I'm happy I joined this course.
So nice.
We resonate
I
the
would like to
same.
say something like, I think this program was the fastest which I enrolled myself after talking to Kaushik, and I was so connected to him that I didn't have a second thought. And I think by evening I was registered. So before my planned master class was Kaushik was supposed to take on, I think it's planned. I was part of it and as an enrolled participant. So thank you, Kaushik, and everybody to give me this company. I'm looking forward to have support from everybody. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, Coach Sachin. Thank you.
Lovely, guys, lovely. So in terms of plan of action, my dear friends, I know there will be now a lot of things in your mind, right? In terms of plan of action, remember every training program, you should have a plan of action ready. And before you leave, I want you to make sure that in your mind, the plan of action is ready. And we did that in the morning where we just did the steps, right? So don't forget it. Tomorrow is going to be a rest day for you. Tomorrow is going to be a rest day for you. So no downloading tomorrow, but from Tuesday onwards, please get started on your plan. You have written step by step what all you need to do in terms of finding your micro niche, in terms of updating your profiles, in terms of getting started. So please get started from Tuesday onwards. Keep in touch, keep blogging, keep tagging each other, right? If you can also do a review for each other, it'll be wonderful, right? Get some testimonials, and ask for a recommendation for someone who you felt because of you, he or she got at least something. And you like it that way. You like it. And remember, finally, don't forget your partner for life. Don't forget your partner for life. How many of you still remember who is your partner for life?
Yes.
Shanu. This is my phone.
It's so romantic, Shanu.
I know.
That's amazing, Sam.
How do you do that? Can you repeat it, please?
Yeah.
No, it's two. I'm logged in from two different gadgets.
Just do it.
Okay.
So it
Okay,
was
hold
an eco effect.
Whose name? Coach Kaushik.
Very good, very good. The first one.
I know.
That was great. Yeah.
So, touch guys. I think Sanjeev wants to say something, or anyone.
Anyone from Pune over here?
Pune?
Pune, Thane.
I know you are from Thane. Anyone from Pune?
Who is from Thane? Saili?
Sayani.
Oh, I am from Bombay only.
Here actually we don't know who is from which side. Even yesterday only I got to know. Samishta from Delhi, no? Others can tell, please. I am from
Delhi.
Bangalore.
Priyanka is from Haryana.
Basically, I am from Haryana, Gurgaon. Now I am put up in Bangalore.
Actually, Sheena, I had this surprise for you. I wanted to talk to you over call. I was born and brought up where you are. You're in Vishali, Vasundhara, you said, right? Vishali or Vasundhara?
I'm in Vishali, yeah. Ghaziabad.
Yeah, I live nearby.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, in fact, I was planning to, tell you that I'll come and meet you when I'm there. To my,
Surely, we'll meet
We
soon.
can meet up. Like Shamishra is also in Delhi. I'm in Delhi. Sheena and Priyanka.
Wow, that is great.
Plan and meet.
Let's do that.
There's already there's a party due.
And Sheena does a lot of parties.
Nitin was like, surely I'm coming tomorrow for one of your party. I'm jealous of it.
Yes, actually.
Yeah, I mean, there were times 9:30, Sheena used to come like this.
No.
No, not like that, with a sore throat because of all the parties.
One day. And then with the Golgappas, I, got rid of the hangover.
Yes.
You know this story, Coach Kaushik?
We never knew that, hangover happens with Golgappa also.
It's patronized under my name.
You should patent it.
Coach Sachin and Coach Sanjeev are from which place?
I'm put up in Bangalore now. I'm in Bangalore.
Where from?
I'm from Mohali.
Okay, Mohali.
That's a lovely
Near
place.
Chandigarh, no?
Yes.
Very good. See, now we have everyone.
I am
basically from Agra, the birthplace of Nitin Berry.
Yeah.
I am born in
Coach
Karnal,
My-
Kalpana Chawla place.
Wow.
So born over there, but married in Gurgaon and now put up in Bangalore.
You all are welcome to Pune.
Sure.
Yeah, surely.
Sure, welcome.
You all are welcome here. Sam
Delhi
and I
to
also
used
live
to come.
nearby.
Delhi to I used to come. in
I'm coming
Gurgaon.
anyway. Welcomed or not
Anyway,
welcome.
yes.
Priyanka from Yamuna Nagar,
We'll
no?
party.
Priyanka from Yamuna Nagar, no?
Kaushik, where are you
Yes,
from?
yes.
I
Kaushik?
am from Karnal.
Sanjeev, I'm just I'm staying next to you.
No, that is okay. It's like, basically, you're from?
I'm in Bangalore, but I'm originally from Bhubaneswar. I'm from Odisha.
And Sonia, where are you?
I'm from Manipur, but I was born and brought up in Delhi. And now I'm staying in Oman.
Oh, okay. Oman.
And we are very close, by the way. My house in Delhi is Dilshad Garden. It's near Ghaziabad. So we are
Yeah.
very close by.
It's all like East Delhi, Sam.
Yes.
I'm in
Introductions
Vishali.
like that are amazing. We have a taste and touch of everything.
Sonia is from?
So
which place?
I'm from Delhi. I'm born and brought up in Delhi, especially West Delhi. So got married here, and my in-laws in Mathura. They're from Mathura, near Agra.
So looks like Delhi is dominating, right?
My in-laws are also from
Yes,
Mathura.
I'm fully
Really, Coach
Delhiite.
Sachin? Wow.
Yes.
Where in Mathura?
Sonia is from?
Radha Krishnapuram.
Okay. Ours is Dhauligaon.
Delhi is dominating. But Coach Kaushik, what do you think? I think most of the trainers in India, they are based out of Bombay, isn't it?
Yeah, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, I would say a lot.
Yeah.
And more than anything else, Chennai.
Chennai. Okay.
South, I told you, Sam.
Lot. Right.
Hmm.
By the way, don't worry, guys. If you are in Bangalore, come and meet us in our headquarters here in Bangalore, Banagatta Road. Next to IIM Bangalore is our office. You can always.
You open an office in Delhi now.
I
Yes.
think there was something that planning is going on. I wanted to ask that question, Coach Kaushik.
Office in Gurgaon sector. We had our office, but we had to close it because of pandemic.
We'll open with you. There's an option like that.
Yes, we could open. ILA Delhi chapter. By the way, ILA Delhi chapter got announced last week.
Oh, wow.
Delhi chapter, and after the program, the team is going to add you in that Delhi chapter. A lot of people like Nitin are already there in that chapter. So a lot of people, exciting people. I have been traveling to Delhi since 2016. By the way, every year, at least go and do 4 or 5 programs face to face. But because of pandemic, I was also not able to travel. So we will meet soon, guys. It's a small world.
What programs about?
But
Kaushik,
this
please,
COVID also,
visit,
and, it's a situation like this, but the silver lining in the COVID is basically we could do this training from our home. I think before COVID, ILA never had any online coaching, right? Coaching or training.
Never. Yeah.
So I find that this is the silver lining in the whole thing.
So true. So, time for the final pick. Who's taking it? Time pick.
I can
Just change the background. I was tired. It was so glittery.
Everybody on camera mode.
Everybody on camera
I'll
mode.
just
And
pull
let's
that
do you.
Coach Ami is headed somewhere.
Do that, guys. Can you do that? Do the-
Really?
Okay.
See, your face has to be like this, and then you open. And then
Nahi.
Who's clicking it?
perfect.
I am clicking.
Okay, I'm clicking in the laptop, Sam.
Okay, you click on the laptop. Now my V
Yeah,
is coming.
that would come. But let's wait for Deepa. She's not there. Till then, I can take one or two.
Deepa.
Okay.
Any other pose?
There,
Deepa is
Deepa is
coming.
there.
Deepa, come quickly. Yay.
Okay, one.
Smile. Yeah. Rockstar pose.
Rock stars.
See you, rock stars, so soon. And by the way, we are not saying bye because Wednesday we are again meeting. Wednesday, we are people who have also graduated. For you, the last Wednesday session would be the last session. Right?
Okay.
The
I'll
next.
miss the Wednesday session. I'm very sorry. I'm telling you in advance. I'm finally going to my honeymoon. To hell with COVID.
Very good.
Amazing, Priyanka.
Silver lining.
Take, what is Sam saying? Take me along.
This course, after doing this course, now you are thinking
Yes,
of
yes.
doing
I was that dedicated.
so good.
Wow, enjoy.
Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy.
Great.
Some pictures, Priyanka.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Bye, Sanjeev. Bye, Prashant.
Bye.
Bye, Coach Anu.
Bye, bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye,
All the
everyone.
best.
Bye, everyone. Let's post the pictures in the group.
Yeah,
WhatsApp
right
group.
away before we get
Yeah.
removed.
Bye.
I did not
Amy is
know.
traveling, I think.
I did not know Sam is Sharmishta. Sharmishta, I didn't know you are Sam.
Ah, okay. It is from two different gadgets I'm logging in, so that's why. My internet
Coach Ami is saying something. Coach Ami is saying something.
Okay.
No, I was just saying, Sally, I'll definitely catch you tomorrow. She's trying to do, and all of us let's catch up. We'll make a separate group and definitely be in touch.
I'll catch up with all of you next week. I'm
No,
leaving
no,
right now.
You enjoy, Priyanka. We won't disturb you.
Yeah.
There's only Coach Kaushik and Prashant. All other females are dominating here.
They are just listening.
Kaushik was
What
saying
to comment and what to say. Ladies talk started.
Good, guys.
But Coach Kaushik, if we could get this part of recording, we can keep it as a memory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recording is-
You know what? The team creates a graduation ceremony video for you.
Oh, so sweet.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. That the whole clip they will create it, guys. I'm sure it will be memorable for all of us.
Yeah.
So happy to know you guys, and
this is for ILA. This is for Kaushik.
This is for Kaushik. This is for Ritti. This is for ILA. And all
So for
our
Google-
respective
This is
trainers.
for all of you. This is for all of you.
And for all of you, yes.
And group hug.
We all are
Lovely.
learning.
A
with
lovely team we have got. We connected very well. This was a lovely group.
You all are amazing.
bye, guys. And
Bye. Have more protein. Take care of your health.
bye, guys. Take care.
Bye.
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 Bye.